What's going on, traders? Welcome back to the channel. Today has been a pretty frustrating day for me in terms of trades wise. Two things happened, one bad, one good. The good one is I doubled the account on the master account, and not in the sense of the 25k, because technically speaking, you're not trading with 25k, you're trading with $1,500, which is your drawdown. You're trading your drawdown. Let's call it what it is. So I doubled the drawdown, and I'm about less than 100 bucks from actually like the safety net that Bullnox requires. But the bad thing about that is you gotta have another 1,000 before you actually request a withdrawal. So again, this is why I want to work on the Blue Sky, because they don't have none of that crap. But again, today was frustrating in Blue Sky. I could have passed the evaluation essentially today. But let's talk about the trades. You know, when I came into the market, by the way, this is the ES 3000 tick chart. You know, I saw this kind of range chopping sideways action, and we break to the downside. I don't really see, I mean, maybe this right here, but I wasn't really too thrilled about it. So I skipped it. Trying to be a phenomenal trade. I was waiting for a higher low. Don't get one, of course, because fuck you. Anyways, yeah, rips through the upside and then goes back into this range. Then we have kind of like a spike and then a channel forming up. Didn't really see anything that I wanted to trade here. There's a second entry long here. It was kind of a big bar, and I wasn't sure if we're gonna test these highs. So it was really strange, weird price action here in this area that I wasn't really too fond of. They have a higher low here, but that's not the right setup. But then they went short here, and the reason I went short here, this is a trade on the master account, because I saw this spike and basically two legs up, and I figured I would you know, take a short. And it's also, I mean, if you consider this a double bottom here, right, you have a first entry and second entry short. So it's one of those things. And I got like a 1.5 out of that. I could have got 2 points. Actually, I could have got 3 points, to be honest. But yeah, I just got 2 points. I'm not sure why, or 1.5. I'm not sure why I got 1.5. I don't know. It was weird. But nevertheless, there's a second entry long here as well at the EMA, and that would have been a nice little trade too. Did not take that because I was already in the trade, so to speak. Nice little short opportunity here. Again, we have this 1, 2, 3, basically 4 legs up. It's overshoot, and you're expecting the price to come back to this. So solid trade in my opinion. Did not take that. And there's a second entry long here, but it didn't set up the right way. Break new low happened, the correction that did happen, and then again we get I was hoping for a higher low, and you get one here, but that doesn't look right. And then basically we, like I said, we break this channel, so to speak, and then we retest the highs. We have one leg, 2 legs. So I don't know if you can see this, but there's a leg here and there's a leg here, and technically speaking, this is also a third leg. And I felt confident taking this short because 3 legs up, we have a break, retest of the highs, all that good stuff. You can clearly see that we're kind of rejecting this level here, reject here, reject here, reject here. Took a short. Again, it worked for a scalp, no problem. But I wasn't going for a scalp. I wanted it to go for either test these lows or eventually these lows. And of course, price stops me out by a tick. What do you know? I was like, okay, great, whatever, I'm used to that, no big deal. And then I took another short here, kind of like a lower high. You can clearly see there's a lot of resistance here. This is why I took a short here. This is also a second entry short as well, but it didn't really set up the right way. I was more trading as a lower high, and it did went in profit for 5 points, but I was targeting this swing low because again, this was on evaluation, and I kind of wanted to pass evaluation. I was frustrated with this loss here, and I just like, you know what, I want to hold this until here, and I was good. The price came back down. I felt great. I was like, you know what, I want to keep it as is. I'm not gonna move my stop loss just yet. I'm gonna leave it, let the price do its thing. Got this doji, boom, big giant green candle, I was like, oh wow, that I don't like this. I'm probably gonna get stopped out. Saw this doji again. I was like, okay, not really too sure about this. And I got out at 1 point. As soon as I got out at 1 point, it starts to dump to the freaking downside. And it goes exactly where I thought it was gonna go. This could have been a very, very nice little profit here. Could have been a $625 profit. Could have passed the evaluation. And that's that. That was my day. After that, I was so frustrated. Like I just don't. Like I don't want to trade. Like it's just like literally half a second as soon as I get out, the market rips, just rips. I'm like, okay. So I called it a day. I don't really see anything else that I want to trade. There's a higher low here. After this break, a new low in place. Yeah, it's just not just one of those things. You know, frustration and just emotions kick in play, and you start making these. I know when I'm in that headspace, I make bad decisions, so I just walked away and I called it a day. And it's unfortunate because it's my day off. I want to have a good trading day, but no, market said, screw you, you're not getting shit. So either way, that was my trading day. Hopefully you guys were in the good. Hopefully you guys were in the green. The Bonlocks expires tomorrow. I'm sure they're gonna extend again, like they always do. But that's all I got. Thank you all for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.